Hello guys, wondering how people send emails and you see the signature like this at the bottom of every email they send to you. If you want to do the same thing, this video is for you. Kindly follow through to the end of this video to be able to set up your own email signature. First of all, you log into your email account and you click on email. You would go to settings and then see your settings. Yes, when you are done, you move straight to signature. So you locate signature from the settings, from the general settings, and then you click on create new signature. So the name of the signature is for business. So I'll create for business, and what I'll do is, my name is Nasif, and then I'm a software consultant, and my email is hello@nasif.dev. I can change the font size. Okay, so I can change it like this or keep it as normal, and then the font, okay, I prefer to use this. Can choose to say let this one be the text should be blue. I can also decide to, if I have a logo, I can add the logo to it. So let's say this is my logo. I want to use this logo. Whenever I decide to send anyone an email, this one would automatically come. If you want to add new signatures, so you create it, and then you have the same thing. Let's see, let me copy this. So when you're done, you come here and then you save. Okay, so I'm done saving. What I'll do next is I'll try to compose an email. So just see when I try to compose an email. So insert signature, come here, and then it says for what? For business. And then you can see it appearing. When I change it for school, see it changes, and then you can send. So that is how we add signatures to email. I hope this helps, and see you in our next one.